Welcome to Parking Permits of America. The Permits Report page serves as your comprehensive management hub for all parking permits. Let me walk you through its powerful features. The intuitive search functionality at the top allows you to quickly locate permits using various identifiers, license plates, resident names, or apartment numbers. One of its standout features is the Plate Insight system. When you enter an exact license plate match, the system provides a detailed history dashboard showing active permits, expired permits, voided permits, and a complete visitor registration timeline. The main data display utilizes an intelligent color coding system for different permit types, making visual identification efficient. Each entry provides comprehensive permit information including property details, resident information, vehicle specifications, creation dates, and expiration dates. Permits displaying a blue button with an edit icon are available for modification, though it's important to note that visitor permits are intentionally locked from editing for security purposes. A crucial feature for management oversight is the permit history tracking. When you click into any editable permit's details, you'll find a complete audit trail of all modifications made to that permit. This gives you full visibility into which staff members made changes, when they were made, and what specific updates occurred, ensuring complete accountability in your permit management process. The filtering system offers precise data control. You can filter by multiple parameters including property name, permit status, permit type, and apartment number. The date range filtering is particularly useful for tracking permits within specific timeframes, whether you're monitoring recent creations or approaching expirations. The printing functionality is designed for maximum efficiency. Individual permits can be printed instantly, but the bulk printing options truly streamline operations. You can print all resident permits created either today or within the past week. For more selective printing needs, the Select Multiple feature allows you to choose specific permits and generate a single consolidated PDF. For reporting purposes, the system offers two export formats. The PDF export creates a professionally formatted report, ideal for presentation and documentation, while the Excel export facilitates detailed data analysis and record keeping. All active filters are respected in these exports, allowing for precisely tailored reports. What sets this system apart is its integrated approach to permit management. The combination of robust search capabilities, comprehensive filtering options, efficient bulk operations, and detailed vehicle history tracking makes it an invaluable tool for parking management operations.